This Coldwell Banker Bishop Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Watley. Located in beautiful Stone Creek subdivision, this light and bright Palm Harbor single-level, 3-bedroom 2-bath home features an open floor plan, living room west vaulted ceilings, cozy gas fireplace, opens to the kitchen and dining. This spacious kitchen includes the refrigerator, gas range, microwave and a butler's pantry. The master bedroom opens to a covered patio, private bathroom, shower, soaking tub and walk-in closet. 2 guest bedrooms and bath, laundry room, west washer and dryer. The extra refrigerator is included. Plenty of parking for family and friends with a super large carport, storage room, landscaped, very clean and maintained. No HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Watley at 928-474-2216.